एवरीवन, वेलकम टू थर्ड एपिसोड ऑफ वन स्टेप एडवेंचर। आज का नया टॉपिक है टॉप 6 जंगल सफारीज इन इंडिया with regular magnificence can match that of some other nation on the planet. In any case, while the nation's sea shores and mountains are as of now completely investigated, safaris in India. First, Goa Kotigao and Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. It is situated in the Sanguine Taluka local of the southeastern piece of Goa. It holds one of the fundamental passageways of the Western Ghats. Netravali is home to an assorted group of widely varied vegetation of the world. अभ्यारण्य आकाश से संपर्क करने वाले पहाड़ों के साथ बह रहा है और सैवरी और मैनपी के प्रमुख आकर्षण हैं। Packed with wonderful ghats and foaming lakes, the biosphere is brimming with rich valleys that encourage human civilizations inside them. The ideal chance to visit the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary is the post-storm time of October to March. And second, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, Mudumalai, it is likewise a pronounced tiger hold, lies on the northern western side of the Nilgiri hills of Coimbatore city in Tamil Nadu, India. सुनिश्चित क्षेत्र भारतीय हाथी, बंगाल टाइगर, गौर और भारतीय पैंथर सहित कुछ खतरनाक और कमजोर प्रजातियों का घर है। There are in any event 266 types of feathered creatures in the safe haven, including fundamentally imperial Indian white-rumped vulture and since quite a while ago charged vulture. नीलगिरी में 103 टाइगर हैं, जिसके पास टाइगर्स को भटकने की अनुमति है। The travel industry, particularly in the Seagar Massigudi zone, is arrested by some to represent a danger to the district. Here this is effectively denounced by people who live and work in the region. Third, Uttarakhand Jim Corbett National Park is the most seasoned public park in India और इसे जिम कॉर्बेट के नाम पर रखा गया था, जो एक नोटेबल ट्रैकर एंड नेचुरलिस्ट है। द visitation center has sub-Himalayan belt geological and biological characteristics. It contains 488 distinct types of plants and a different assortment of fauna. The expansion in vector exercise among different issues keeps on introducing a genuine test to the recreation center's natural equilibrium, and each season is excess of 70,000 guests go to the resortation center. The climate in the recreation center is mildly contrasted with most other ensured territories of India. Madhya Pradesh Satpura National Park. It is also called Satpura National Park. It's situated in the Hosangabad region of Madhya Pradesh in India. The landscape of the public park is very thorough and comprises of sandstone tops, thin crevices, grogs and thick woods. यहाँ के जीवों में पैंथर, सांभर, चीतल, भारतीय दलदली, नीलगाय, ईलैंड, चिंकारा, जंगली हाग, भालू, ब्लैक बक, लोमड़ी, शाही, उड़ने वाली गिलहरी, माउस, हिरण और भारतीय गोलियत गिलहरी शामिल है। There are an assortment of fowls, hornbills and peafowl, the regular winged creatures discovered here. Satpura Tiger Reserve is a portion of a rich central Indian backwoods environment, consequently very wealthy in biodiversity. Uttar Pradesh Pilibhit Tiger Reserve. Its reserve is perhaps the best case of the incredibly different and gainful terrain ecosystems. यह सितंबर 2008 में अपार खुले स्थानों के साथ अपने असामान्य प्रकार के एनवायरनमेंट और अति सुंदर शिकारियों के लिए पर्याप्त फीड के आधार पर घोषित किया गया था। It is India's 45th Tiger Reserve project. It is home to living space of more than 127 creatures, 326 winged animal species and 2,100 blossoming plants. It is a mosaic of high salutes, ranch and fields with a few water bodies. The wildernesses are home to a herd of wild creatures including the imperial tiger, swamp deer, Bengal Forcian, whole deer, panther and so forth. The Chuka interpretation zones with nature transaction focus houses and edge of the gigantic water bodies special and famous with guests. Sixth, Assam Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. It is situated in the Himalayan lower regions. It is adjoining with the Royal Manas National Park in Bhutan. Manas is renowned for its populace of the wild water bison. There is just on Bakut's town, Parang, in the center of the public park. Aside from this town, 56 additional towns encompass the recreation center. The Safe Haven have recorded 55 types of vertebrates, 380 types of feathered creatures, 50 of reptiles, and 3 types of creatures of land and water out of this natural life. 21 well evolved creatures are India's schedule, vertebrates, and 30 of them are undermined.